Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Akbarido Rioyo from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, Fakultas of Engineering and Computer Science, Informatic Program, Class 25A. In this video, I will explain one the most important component in a computer system, which in the processor, also known as Central Processing Unit or CPU. The processor is often called the brain of the computer because it is responsible for executing instruction and controlling every operation that happen inside the computer system. Introduction of the topic. Before we go deep, let us first understand what processor actually does. A processor is a tiny but very powerful chip located on the motherboard of computer. Its main job is process data and execute instruction received from hardware and software. Without a processor, a computer cannot perform any operation, run program, or respond to user command. In simple terms, the processor is what makes the computer alive and functional. Now let's talk about the function of the processor. First, it's perform arithmetic and logical operation. Every mathematical calculation, such as additional, subtraction, multiply, or computing, is processed by arithmetic logic unit or ALU. Inside the CPU, second, it's control the flow of data and introduction. The CPU acts a controller, manage communication between memory, input device, and output device, so that all components work together efficiently. Third, it's feeds, decode, and execute instructions. Its command from a program is taken from memory, translate into understand signal, and then execute by the processor. 4. It manages the flow of data between memory and peripheral device. The processor ensures the information move correctly and efficiently with the system. In summary, the processor is both the decision maker and the calculation of computer system. Alright, in the structure of the processor, inside the CPU, there are several key components that work together. Include 1. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU. The ALU is responsible for the all arithmetic and logical calculation. It processes basic mathematical operation and logical comparison, such as and, or, and not. 2. Control unit or CU. The control unit directs the operation of the processor. It feeds instructions from memory, decodes them, and controls the execution of those instructions. The CU also coordinates the activity of other components inside in CPU. 3. Registers. Registers are small, high-speed storage locations in CPU. They mainly important hold data, instruction, and result of calculation before they are sent back to memory. And 4. Cache memory. Cache is a small, fast memory located close the processor core. It stores frequency hours, use data, and instructs so the CPU can access them faster without repeatedly repeating them from the main memory. And 5. System bus. The system bus is a set of electrical pathway that connect different parts of the CPU and allow data to move between them. It's divided into three types: bus data, address bus, and control bus. All of these components work in hard memory to ensure that the processor can handle complex tasks efficiently. Now let's take a look how processor work. So what is known as the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle consists of three mains. In the one phase of the CPU retrieve the next instruction from the main memory. To decode the instruction is translated or decode into signal that the processor can understand, and three execute. The CPU perform the requisite operation such as calculation, data transfer, or decision maker. After complete one instruction, the cycle repeats immediately for the next one. This process happens millions of even billions of the time per second. Depend on the processor or clock speed, this continuous cycle in what allows computer to perform multiple tasks at extremely high speed. In conclusion, is the material to conclude the processor play a critical role in every computer system. It functions as the brain of the computer, controlling and executing all processes that are in the system. Its structure in the ALU, control unit, regis, cache memory, and system bus, all working together to process data quickly and efficiently. Understand the function and structure of the process help us appreciate how computer can perform so many complex tasks in such a short time. That's all today video lesson on function and structure of processor. I hope this explain help you understand how processor operate and why it's so important in computing. Thank you for the watching video. See you the next learning session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.